Feeling overwhelmed by the weekday scramble to find healthy meals? Does takeout night turn into takeout every night? Well, stress less and ditch the unhealthy choices. Today, we're your personal meal prep fairy godmothers, granting you the power to conquer the entire week with delicious and nutritious meals you can prep in advance. Forget boring salads and bland chicken breasts. We've got a whole week's worth of mouth-watering recipes that will keep you fueled and satisfied. So ditch the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and get ready to transform your week with healthy meal prep magic. Let's unlock a world of delicious possibilities and show you how to take control of your health. One delicious bite at a time. Slow cooker chicken and vegetable stew. Let's kick off our week of healthy meal prep with a comforting and nourishing slow cooker chicken and vegetable stew for Sunday. This hearty dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. Simply toss chicken breasts, diced vegetables such as carrots, celery, onions, and potatoes, along with your favorite herbs and spices, into the slow cooker in the morning. Let it simmer away all day, allowing the flavors to meld together and the chicken to become tender and juicy. When you come home in the evening, you'll be greeted by the enticing aroma of a home-cooked meal. Serve it piping hot with a side of whole grain bread or brown rice for a satisfying and nutritious dinner that will warm you up from the inside out. Plus, with leftovers for the week, you'll have lunch sorted too: quinoa and black bean salad. Moving on to Monday, we're keeping things light and refreshing with a quinoa and black bean salad that's bursting with flavor and nutrition. This colorful salad is not only a feast for the eyes, but also for the taste buds. Cook up a batch of quinoa and let it cool before tossing it with black beans, diced bell peppers, sweet corn, cherry tomatoes, creamy avocado, and fresh cilantro. Drizzle with a zesty lime vinaigrette made from fresh lime juice, olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of cumin for an added kick. Mix it all together until well combined, and you've got yourself a vibrant and nutritious salad that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Pack it up in individual containers for easy grab-and-go meals throughout the week, or enjoy it as a side dish alongside your favorite protein. Either way, you can't go wrong with this delicious and satisfying meal. Sheet pan salmon with roasted vegetables. For Tuesday's meal prep, we're keeping things simple, yet delicious with sheet pan salmon and roasted vegetables. This one-pan wonder is perfect for busy weeknights when you need a quick and healthy meal. Season salmon fillets with your favorite herbs and spices, then place them on a sheet pan alongside an assortment of chopped vegetables such as broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots. Drizzle everything with olive oil and season with salt and pepper, then roast in the oven until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender and caramelized. It's a fuss-free dinner that's packed with flavor and nutrition, making it a win-win for busy weeknights. Turkey and vegetable stir-fry. Midweek calls for a quick and easy meal that's big on flavor and nutrition, and that's exactly what you'll get with Wednesday's turkey and vegetable stir-fry. This colorful and vibrant dish comes together in minutes and is infinitely customizable to suit your taste preferences. Simply sauté lean ground turkey with an array of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, snap peas, and mushrooms. Then toss with a flavorful stir-fry sauce made from soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a splash of sesame oil. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a complete and satisfying meal that's sure to become a weeknight favorite. Lentil soup. As we approach the end of the week, it's time to cozy up with a bowl of hearty and nourishing lentil soup. This simple yet satisfying soup is loaded with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Simmer dried lentils with diced vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions in a flavorful broth until tender and fragrant. Season with your favorite herbs and spices, then ladle into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dollop of Greek yogurt for added creaminess. Make a big batch on Sunday and enjoy it throughout the week for a comforting and nutritious meal that's perfect for chilly evenings. Veggie and hummus wraps. For Friday's meal prep, we're keeping things light and fresh with veggie and hummus wraps, a tasty and satisfying option for lunch or dinner. These wraps are bursting with flavor and nutrition, thanks to the colorful array of vegetables and creamy hummus. Spread your favorite hummus onto whole grain tortillas, then layer on thinly sliced cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, avocado, and a handful of fresh greens like spinach or arugula. Roll them up tightly and slice in half for easy serving or packing. These veggie and hummus wraps are not only delicious, but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Plus, they're customizable, so you can mix and match your favorite veggies and hummus flavors for endless variety. Breakfast egg muffins. Let's kick off the weekend with Saturday's breakfast egg muffins, a delicious and nutritious way to start your day on the right foot. These versatile muffins are packed with protein, veggies, and flavor, making them the perfect grab-and-go breakfast option. Whip up a batch on Sunday and enjoy them throughout the week for a quick and easy morning meal that will keep you fueled and satisfied until lunchtime. Simply whisk together eggs, diced vegetables like bell peppers, spinach and onions, and your favorite cheese. Then pour the mixture into muffin tins and bake until set and golden brown. You can customize them with your favorite ingredients, such as cooked bacon or sausage, chopped tomatoes or mushrooms. These breakfast egg muffins are not only delicious, but also portable, making them ideal for busy mornings when you need a nutritious breakfast on the run. And there you have it. 7 days of healthy meal prep ideas to keep you fueled and satisfied all week long. Whether you're cooking up a big batch of stew on Sunday or whipping up a quick stir-fry on Wednesday, these delicious and nutritious meals are sure to make mealtime a breeze. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and recipes. Until next time, happy meal prepping and bon appetit.